Hey, what's going on, trappers? Today is the 15th of August, 2024. We're going to talk about Toncoin today. Okay, we're going to talk about this particular cryptocurrency to see if a reversal or a breakout is likely to occur in this market to where it could possibly reach to like $10. All right, so let's go ahead and break down this price prediction real quick. You guys can see from this particular chart right now that there isn't a price prediction on our chart because the last time we did a video for Toncoin, there wasn't anything for us to do. We only thing that we did were created sell zones and buy zones off the chart to try to reflect where the buyers are. And as you guys can see from the price action since our last video, the market has decided to hold price, or at least find the buyers right around this particular zone. So we're going to move this buy zone. That's the first thing we're going to do here is move this buy zone here in the market in Toncoin. And we're going to extend our sell zone up here at the top. We're going to bring it at the last high of the market in Toncoin. Okay. So now the question for today's video is whether this particular cryptocurrency can run to $10. As you can see, it's at $6.54 right now. Can it run to $10? Yes. It's not that far away. Matter of fact, it's about 52% away from reaching that particular level. Let's go ahead and get rid of this trend line. The market here in Toncoin is not trending on that line anymore, and you can overall see that the gist of the market dynamics is just merely this coin traded within this range. Okay, so that's the current market sentiment in Toncoin. When you look at the market here on the 2-day chart though, okay, you guys can begin to see that after we received this sell-off on August the 2nd to August the 4th, the market has since recovered, meaning it just went back up in price. But we're still seeing that those sellers who hit the market in Toncoin on July the 31st to August the 2nd, that they're still there. So if you guys wanted to, we can go ahead and create another sell zone right around this particular range. Okay. Here it is on the 4-day chart into the market in Toncoin. Again, you're just seeing more emphasis, more credibility that sellers are still hitting the market right there around $7. Real quick look at Toncoin on the 7-hour chart. You guys can definitely tell on this 7-hour bar right here that the volume increased as well as the market closing off the highs is indicative of more selling hitting this particular coin. So is the market ready to break out? In my opinion, the answer is no. Now, as long as Toncoin continues to consolidate in between our sell and buy zones, then yes, maybe at a later date. But currently, this market is still exhibiting some selling, exhibiting some weakness right there around $7. Okay, check this out here on the 2 weeks. And here it is on the 3. So one of the things that we want to see have happen or continue to happen is the market bouncing off this buy zone. That definitely needs to continue. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Take a look at Toncoin on the monthly chart. Here it is on the 3. And let's look at this on the hourly chart. So yeah, from an hourly perspective, take a look at this. This is the moment right now that we want to see Toncoin come in and grab and bounce off this trend line. Okay, so as of right now, I don't think that it wants to do that. I don't see any strength really coming into this currency to reflect that, but hey, anything can happen. Okay. So right now, since I don't cover this cryptocurrency a lot on the channel, I am going to drop a price prediction, but understand that the volatility is still here. We can see the market in Toncoin come all the way right back down to $5. That would be the pristine area that you will want to see buyers hitting the market. That would be the pristine area that you will want to also come in and potentially participate in buying this currency. But since we don't cover this market like that often, we're just going to bring it down to 473 as support. And these are our targets. Our first target is going to be at the sell zone that's already created from yesterday's price action. You guys can see that's like almost 11.25% at the high of that sell zone. And then our next target is going to be all the way up there around $8.20, give or take. So it's a very wide range. I don't see a lot of volatility that would indicate that the market is ready to break this $5 buy zone. But if there's anything out the norm that a lot of people don't suspect, then yeah, we can see a market definitely break that $5 level. but I really don't see that off of the charts right now. So I'm just going to leave it right here for the time being. And as we continue to see the market trade throughout the month of August going into September, we should be able to have a better grasp as to whether or not the buyers are holding the price or will the sellers remain controlled. Okay, so that is it. Before I go, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Share the video, also subscribe to the channel to ensure that you guys get this content and without missing out. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.